Hi, my name is Caroline. I am pleased to present this video in partnership with www.allfreechristmascrafts.com. In this video, we'll make these cute Christmas mistletoe earrings. Welcome. The materials you'll need for this project are, you'll need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, and you have a nipper tool. That's great. You will need 2 ear wires, 2 jump rings, and beads of your choice. Now for these mistletoe earrings, I'm going to go with 2 small 4mm pearl beads and then 2 10mm round red beads. But you really could do this with beads of your choice. And then you'll need your 20 gauge wire. You'll need about 5 inches per earring and your ruler to measure out your wire. And that's it. So we'll get started by cutting out 2 pieces of wire, approximately 5 inches per earring. Now there will be excess at the end, so it doesn't have to be exactly 5 inches. So we start by putting our wire right in between our 2 round nose pliers, as so. Then we'll wrap it around, and I'm putting it at the bottom of the round nose pliers. It's really up to you. You could do it anywhere on your round nose pliers. I'm doing this right at the bottom just to get it to be the largest loop that I can make it. Now that I've wrapped it around almost to the other side, I will remove it from the pliers and then put it back in the pliers again with the loop outside now. Then I will once again loop it around again. So I've pretty much done the same thing now. I've got 2 loops, and then I will remove it from the wire, from the pliers again, so you can see here. Now here is the trick to this mistletoe. I'm going to flip it over and then put it in between my pliers again, and then make my 3rd and last loop. And now you can see I've got 3 loops, and I'll remove it from the pliers. Now I'm going to straighten this out just a little bit because I want to get this as flat as I can get it. And now you see this coming together. So I will attempt to straighten out this stem coming from the top here. And now you see we have our base of our mistletoe earring. Again, so I have my wire in between my 2 pliers, wrap it around, make a loop, go to the other side, then I remove it, then I put it back in my pliers, and I wrap it around for another loop. I remove that, then I flip it over, put it back in my pliers, and then wrap it around for a 3rd loop. And then we remove it from the pliers, and then we flatten it out a little bit, make a small adjustments, and then we adjust our tail stem of our mistletoe so that we try to get it to stick as straight out as we can. Now we're ready to add our beads. So first I take I'm going to start with my small 4mm pearl bead and add that on, and then my larger red bead. And then I'll take my round nose pliers again and then fold it, take it closer to the edge, fold it in a 90-degree angle, then adjust, move my pliers to the top, and then make a loop. And then I'll start wrapping it around my earring. Then I'll take my nipper tool and just cut off the excess. And here's our base for our first earring. I'll repeat this process. I will take the base, add a small pearl bead, then add a larger red bead. Then take my round nose pliers at the tip, fold it over in a 90-degree angle, then move my pliers to the top of the 90-degree angle, make a loop, and then start twisting around. 1, 2, 3 times. And then we'll finish it off with the nipper tool. And here are our 2 earrings. We'll now finish it off by putting it on jump rings and then adding the ear wires. So first we open our jump rings. So we open front to back, not out to the side. Opening my jump ring now, adding my earring, and then adding my ear loop, and then I close my jump ring. And then we've finished our first earring. We'll do our second one now. Open the jump ring. Add our earring. Then add our ear loop. And then we'll close our jump ring. And now we have our new Christmas mistletoe earrings. Thank you for watching. This video has been brought to you in partnership with www.allfreechristmascrafts.com.